Occasionally, the Garden Time show experiences a blip and doesn't air correctly on the TV stations.
Other times, we hear from viewers that they miss the show because of vacations or other commitments.
There's nothing to worry about. You can find all of our shows and stories on the Garden Time YouTube channel.
If you go to the gardentime.tv website, you can find a link to our YouTube channel in the upper right-hand corner. On our channel, you can find the individual stories and the entire program, so you will never miss an episode or story. If you miss a detail, you can watch them over again.
So don't worry if you miss an episode. You can still get all of that great Garden Time information on our Garden Time YouTube channel.